to.
Good evening, this is Riza May Humawid and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys what is all about loop in a computer programming lesson. So tune up guys so I can share with you all about loops. In a computer programming lesson, a loop is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. Typically, a certain process is done, such as getting an data, changing it, and then some condition is checked as whether a counter has reached a prescribed number. A loop is the use of executing a block of statement repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. For example, when you are displaying 1 to 100, you may want to set the value of variable 1 and display it 100 times, increasing its value by 1 on each loop iteration. You will see on my laptop an example on how to create or to make a code of a loop. So first, I'm gonna showing with you. First step in loop is initialization. So happen first and only once, which means that initialization part of for loop only executes one. So the second step is the condition. The condition is evaluated on each loop iteration. If the condition is true, then the statements inside for loop body gets executed. Once the condition returns false, the statement in for loop does not executed, and the control gets transferred to the next statement in program after for loop. The third one is after every execution of for loop body, the increment decrement part for loop executes that updates the loop count. After every executions of for loops body, the increment decrement part of for loop executes that updates the loop counter. So the fourth step after the third step, the control jumps to the second step because the steps from second to fourth repeats until the loop condition returns false. For example, so I will gonna share with you my screen. Here is the example of simple for loop in C++. Here is the loop in the initialization part. Have a set of the value of variable to 1. Condition is I Once again, so first, you will go to, I will display it here so you can see me. So first, you will go to www.onlinegdb.com. Then click the enter. Then you will see this online GDB beta online complier debugger for C. So this is my project last, that is my project. And then if you want to create new, then go to new project, click the new project. So erase this one, or erase this one. Then you will type your code here. So the first code I will make is write a program and see to display n terms of the natural number and their sum. So we will go to we will go here at the www.onlinegdb.com, and then you will write your code here and then check if it's running or not. So I will input my code, hashtag include second is I will void name. So the third is I'm gonna put this int I and sum equals to 0, print f parenthesis input the value of terms. Scanf so we will see if it's running or not again because it's error here. So I see wala naman tayong ibang mali, so I will put it 7 here, the natural number R. So I will run it. So input the value of terms of 7, then enter the first natural number is Here I will put here the 1. Oops. Stop. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pili na ka? Napili na po mo di?
Lagi.
Sama na siya. Ako itig pa kuan anak bo niya siya kay sigirag pa ano.
Ako dito ko.
Sama.
Figure 100. So.
100 man gani ako
Daog bitaw. Figure.
1, 2.
Sound kapalos.
So we run it and the input value of terms is 7. Then I will input the number 1, then I will enter it, and then the first natural number are 1. The sum of the natural number up to 1 is 1. So I will run it again and I will put the number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what is the so we will enter it, and then this one you will see this one. So stop. So I will run this code, then I will enter it, and then I will put 28 of it, number 28, then enter again, and then you will gonna see the first 28 natural numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 28. Then then it will give you the sum of the natural number up to 28 terms. But in our examples, so we will write the program C to display n terms of natural number and their sum. So I'm going to see if I'm going to input the number 7, and then I would like to see the 7 natural numbers of it. So we will see. Go back here and then click the run, then input the number of terms. It says 7, then put the 7 number. The first seven natural number is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is not so this is the correct answer of it. And then because when it turns around, then this one will give you 7 input value of terms of 7, then enter, then put number 7 on it. Wait, put number 7, put 8. Oh my god. So the next example I will give is, first we will close this one or erase this one, then we will put again our codes that we made. So hashtag include F equals to 1. Ay, sabasay. F number, I will input the number 5. Scan F. F equals to F times So next I will run it if it's working. Oh, compilation field. So I'm gonna go back again. Wait. So run. So I will run it again. So input the number. So wait. We will just input here R5. Stop muna natin. So ang gihingi dito is input the 5. And then the 5 is equal to 120. So 5 dito. Enter natin yung 5. Then the fractional of 55 is, bakit 55? Wait na. So input the 5, then the fractional is 5. So this is my code that I typed or that I made. Then I will run it. Then it says here in our problem is write the program to calculate the factorial of a given number. Input the number 5, then the factorial of 5 is 120. So dapat makikita natin ito sa ating pag-i-input. Then balik tayo dito sa GDB. Then na-input na yung 5, we will enter it. Then we will put 5 again and then enter. Then that is a correct answer because you see that the factorial of 5 is 120. So it runs my code here. The third question is write a C program to make such pattern like right angle triangle with a number which will repeat a number in a row. So I will input the number row of 10. Then it will be shown like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on my code. So I will go back to here in the GDB online debugger. Sorry if you cannot see clearly because I'm the one who is making this video. So I will erase this one, and then the fourth question that I made is this one. Write the program in C to display the n term of the square natural number and their sum. So I will input the number of the terms in 5, The square natural up to 5 terms are 1, 4, 9, 6, 25. And the sum of the squares natural number is in 5 terms is 55. So I will go to the GDB compiler and I will type my code. Hashtag include I and sum equals 0, int f input the number of terms. It's 5, then scanf then natural 1, 4, 9, 16, 9, 16, 95. 4 I equals to 0 equals to 1. 1. Times I times I. So I will run it. We'll change the C. So then run. Then input the terms. Then run. Enter the number here, number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So stop natin dito. So paste natin dito. Balik. Tapos this. Tapos run. One. So input natin ang 1. So So run. So 5. Then I will input the enter. Stop, run.